Are you interested in getting the brand new Wegovy pill for $149? Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is John Coleman. I'm a benefits consultant, and today we're going to dive into how you can get the brand new Wegovy pill, which is the first ever FDA-approved oral GLP-1 for weight loss from Novo Nordisk for $149 through their self-pay option. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. So first off, let's compare the brand new Wegovy pill to the original injection so you know what you're getting into or not poked by. Both are a semaglutide, which is a kind of GLP-1 that's designed to control appetite, slow digestion, and ultimately promote weight loss when combined with lifestyle changes. Now, the original version, which has been around for a few years, is a once-a-week injection under the skin, and studies have shown that those who are compliant with their medication routine and put in place lifestyle changes, including diet and exercise, can lose anywhere between 15 to 17% of their body weight. Now, one of the biggest hurdles for people taking the original medication is the fact that you have to do a self-injection because, let's face it, who actually likes getting a shot? Now, the new version of Wegovy is an oral pill that you take once a day. First thing in the morning, you basically take the pill and you drink water, and then you need to wait 30 minutes before eating any food. The early clinical studies have shown that those who take it once a day will lose on average 16% of their body weight over a 64-week period. Now, let's talk about the side effects. The side effects are very similar compared to the injection and the pill. The most common side effects are nausea, constipation, and diarrhea, but the one positive is you don't have to get a shot. Now, let's talk about the cost. If your health insurance plan happens to cover weight loss medications, and Wegovy is one of the medications that are covered, you may notice that the cost of the injection is very similar, if not the same, as the pill. If you happen to be in a high-deductible health plan like me, you may notice that the overall cost through insurance while you're in your deductible is about $1,400 a month. That's the bad news. The good news is Novo Nordisk has two programs to help reduce the cost of the medication for you. And with that, let's go right to the Novo Nordisk website so you can get a copay card to reduce the cost of Wegovy to you, whether or not you happen to have insurance or you're going to pay for the medication on your own through a self-pay option. All right, so the first thing we do is we go to Google and we type in Wegovy, $149 a month. We do that and we scroll down until we see the Wegovy website, which is wegovy.com. We click the link and we see there's a bunch of information on Wegovy. We click on top, what will I pay? And it brings you to the NovoCare portion of the website. Want to save? You've got options. So you have two choices, right? With the Wegovy pill, if you happen to have commercial insurance, you can pay as little as $25 per month, but just note that there are limits on how much copay assistance is available. And if we scroll down, it basically says you pay as little as $25 a month, and there's a maximum savings of $100 per month. So if you're in a high deductible health plan and the cost of the medication is $1,400, you will pay about $1,300 a month. For self-pay, patients pay $149 each month for both the 1.5 mg and the 4 mg, and this is available until April 15th of 2026, and then it's $199 per month for the 4 mg dose. So we scroll up, and really there's two things you could do. The simplest thing to do is to text SAVE to 83757, or alternatively, click Get Savings. So you do that, and you have to fill out a very quick form. Who are you requesting a savings offer for? I'm going to click Myself. Are you enrolled in insurance from any government, state, or federally funded medical or prescription drug benefit? For meat, we're going to click no. If you click yes, the copay card cannot be used. You click about me, and you have to fill this information out right here. And once you're done, you click finish. And once you click finish, you will see that a copay card will generate for you. Really important that with this copay card, you bring this to the pharmacy in which you are looking to pick it up. And you really have to provide this first piece of information, which has a BIN, PCN, group number, and ID. And then let's say you're going through Amazon Pharmacy or another mail order pharmacy. You basically have to download, print, and complete the reimbursement form found at novoreimbursement.com. Now we want to hear from you guys. Would you consider using the Wegovy weight loss pill? And if you did you see positive results? And what was your overall experience like? Comment below.